Here are my people, here are my friends. How are you today? Oh, I'm gonna show you how you can compress multiple files into one file and send it through the email, or you can also submit it to the any website, but multiple files as a single file. So here we have our folder named Tantum. You see that our folder has 12 items, so we have 12 files here, and we want to send them as a single file. So during this exercise, we're gonna use WinRAR program. So first of all, you must download that program. It's free on winrar.com. See the program link in my description. So let's begin. You take first of all, you take all your files into one folder. See our folder called Tantum. And what you do is very simple. You right click your folder and you add to your folder name .rar. This name Tantum is your folder name. For example, if you name your folder, or let's say example, so you will right click and add to example.rar. Okay, let's do it. You wait, the program is creating an archive. See, this is the progress, 15%. It's very easy and very simple, as also the program is free. So don't ever miss a way of sending your multiple files as a single files ever again. You must use this simple example. Or the time it takes for compression, it depends on the file size. You see, our file was around 500 megabytes. So if your file is small, so the compression will also be very quick. Let's see, 95%. That's it, 100%. So our multiple files that were in this folder, example folder, has now become a single file. See, let's open it. You see all that our folder is here, and those are all our files. Okay, so you can send this file. This is not a folder, this is a file. If you can send this file to the email to your friend, wherever you want, and when your friend receives that file, or how he will see all files not as a single one. So what you will do, you will right click this file, this RAR file, compressed one, and you will extract it to example. So this name example is because of our file has the name of example. Or for example, if we name it to USA, for example, you will right click and you say extract to USA. So this is the name of your file. So you extract like this. The extraction is quick. So you see all our files are in there. So guys, you will use this way for compressing your files or for sending your multiple files as one file. So make sure you like, subscribe, and also share. I love you. Ciao.